Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is Sasha from Elang factory. Today I want to show you our oil-free air compressor and test of oil-free compressor. First, I want to show you main parts of our oil-free air compressor. Follow me. First, I want to introduce you most important parts of oil-free compressor. This one is a single screw end. It is the heart of one air compressor, and this one is a single screw. It is different for double screw air compressor. Double screw air compressor is oil injection compressor, and our oil-free compressor is single, is water injection. No any oil need, just need water. And the second, I want to show you our motor. We can provide you different motor according to your need and according to your factory. Okay. Yes. We can provide you PM motor and different motor according to your need. This one is a centrifugal fan. You can see it is different for oil injection air compressor fan, and this fan can provide you more wind and low noise. It is better. Come here. Oh, this one is cooler. After cooler. This one is the water tank, air water tank. It is use 304 stainless steel. All our pipe system and air and water tank use stainless steel. Longer life because our oil-free air compressor is water injection, so stainless steel is better. And there is no any separator inside the water tank, so you can solve some running cost. You don't need change any separator. As we know, oil injection screw air compressor need change separator element. For oil-free air compressor, you don't need. And here we can see the water level through this one. You can see the water. There is H, there is L. L it means low water level. Let me try show you clear. Oh, this is better. Okay. You can see the water level through this one. When the water reaches H, it means high level water. This one is the water level sensor. Through this water level sensor, our PLC control can show the water level and to make add water and remove water automatic. Next, I want to introduce our special design. This is water softener. Inside water softener, we will put into water softener resin. Yes, because our oil-free air compressor is water injection, so we need high-quality water. So before the water into the whole system, we need softer the tap water, and then ensure the system have enough soft water to ensure the air compressor running smoothly. This one. This is a water filter. Also use 304 stainless steel, and ensure that we can get more clean water to ensure the longer life of oil-free air compressor. We need to change the water filter element. Normally, 1,000 hours. We need to change it. This one is our. This one is the air filter of oil-free compressor to ensure the air before into whole system to be clean, because as we know, the air in our ground is not clean. Air filter to ensure we can get more clean air.
还有一个小的呢，还有一个小的空热呢。
在那里。
然后刚好讲一下这个真空泵。
真空泵说来了。
Vacuum pump， 先讲那个小的空热吧，那个不是玻璃热的。
There is also have a small air filter. Here is one small air filter. This is not to sure get air for air, and this one is for vacuum pump. Let me show you vacuum pump. Vacuum. This one is vacuum pump. This one is also designed by ourselves. The other splitter have no any this pump. This pump to ensure the balance can without any water, and to cooling the balance, to ensure the balance have longer life, and then ensure this whole system running smoothly. So if you want more information about our parts of oil-free air compressor, please leave us a message and tell us your WhatsApp, email, WeChat, and other online information, so we can show you more information about our oil-free air compressor parts and oil-free air compressor whole machine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Elang from Elang Compressor.
Hello, nice to meet you, friends. I'm Santa from Elang Factory.
Welcome to our lab today. And today we will show you the main parts of our oil-free LM.
Yes, you can see all of our main parts of oil-free air use stainless steel. It is 304 stainless steel. For example, star valve and rotor and case. Yes.
LM case.
Yes. All of them use stainless steel.
You can see all these materials are 304 stainless steel. 304 stainless steel. And now I will introduce all the main parts to you one by one. This is the LN case. You can see this is simple and compact structure. This is small size with low vibration and low noise.
Yes, and one more thing, this case is produced by ourselves.
Oh yes, this is produced by ourselves. And later, our engineer will show you how to assemble all the parts into this LN. Later we will show you.
Yes.
Now this is the mechanical bearing base. You can see mechanical bearing we use SKF, thermal spread SKF. This is the base for this SKF mechanical bearing. You can see. This is the SKF bearing. SKF bearing. SKF bearing. And this is the base for this SKF bearing. And we have two different sets for one LN. This is the base for the ceramic bearing. This is ceramic bearing. You can see ceramic. This is the base for this one. And we have 4 sets ceramic bearing. 2 sets smaller one and 2 sets bigger one. Total 4 sets ceramic bearing. This is for me and this. Later we will show you how to assemble all this. And this ceramic bearing with lots of advantage. This is no physical contactor inside. And also only sliding through the water flow. This also no need like this. We all know that SKF bearing need lubricating oil, but this ceramic bearing no need lubricating oil. And this is also lifetime maintenance free. SKF mechanical bearing. This is the ceramic bearing. This is the lifetime maintenance free. This means if you buy our oil-free air compressor, even the compressor is broken, this one, no need to change. This is the single spool rotor.
Yes.
This is 304. This is original ready. 304 material, stainless steel 304. This, you can see this is 6 groups. This is 6 groups for one single spool rotor. This is the star wheels. We have 2 star wheels. For one LN. This is the star wheels base. And this one. You can see like this. This rotor and the star wheels will assemble like this inside the LN. Later we will show you. And this star wheels is for special material, PE tape, and it is polymer well resistant material. You can see this. This is you can see this like this. When you start the compressor, the LN will working on this one like this. These six groups will drive these 2 star wheels. These 2 each with 11 each with 11 pieces. Yes, this is the main spare part for the LM. This is the finished assembly star wheels, these two wheels you can see. And now Sasha will install it with the rotor and show how the rotor and star wheels working when the compressor running. Sasha, please. Yes. You can see these two wheels now assembling with the rotor. Just now we show you the rotor have total six grooves, and 6 grooves match with two star wheels, which with 11 tools. You can see 11 tools. Yes, one rotor driven these 2 star wheels. You can see this is balanced. So the load inventory and without the reticle and axial force. This is the most ideal force balance. This is the most ideal force balance without reticle and axial force. You can see, and also the rotor will compression 12 times when it with one revolution, and double spool rotor, double spool compressor only 5 to 6 times per revolution.
So our single screw air compressor can produce the more compressor the air.
Yes. This means with high efficiency,
Yes.
and also with low vibration and low noise.
Longer service life.
Yeah. This ensure our single spool with longer service life. Hello, dear friend. Now our engineer, Mr. Zheng, will show you how to assembling our oil-free LM. So, Mr. Zheng, please show us how to assembling all the parts inside the LM. We will start now. This is the mechanical cell. This is for mechanical bearing. We use SKF mechanical bearing. This is a single spool rotor. This rotor have 6 grooves. This is another side mechanical cell. This is our mechanical bearing base. We use these longer screws to touch this base. we should text these words one by one. This is SKF mechanic bearing. We use famous brand SKF. This with high quality and low vibration. This keeps the low noise for the LN and also maintenance cost, reduce the maintenance cost. We use SKF mechanic bearing also keep the LN with longer service life. So this side mechanic bearing, we already finished assembling it. Now this side mechanic bearing we already finished, so we will change and to assembling another side mechanic bearing. So please. So this side mechanic bearing we also finished the assembly. And the next step, our engineer will show you how to assemble the star wheels. You can see this is the star wheels. This is PEEK material. This is special polymer wear-resistant material with no wear. And now our engineer examining the ceramic bearing. This is ceramic bearing. Our ceramic bearing without physical inside contact, only sliding through the water flow. Also no need lubricating oil, not like the mechanic bearing. And the most important, it is lifetime maintenance free. This means no need to maintenance for the ceramic bearing. This is another side ceramic bearing. We also will assembling this side the same like this side. Now, this side star wearing already finished the assembling. Another side star wearing will the same assembling like this side. We'll show you how the LN working. When the LN working, how is the star wheels with the rotary working? This is the soft water. You can see this is the star wheel and inside is the rotor. This is the same like when the compressor starting, the air and working. If you want to know more about our L and also if you want to see more videos or more info, please leave message to us and we will send more information and more video to you. Please leave your email or WhatsApp. We will contact you and send more details. Thank you. Hello, dear friend. This is Elang. You can see this is Elang oil-free air compressor. Before buying our oil-free air compressor, many customers worry about the maintenance problem. Today, we want to show you that for our oil-free air compressor, you only need to change the air filter and the water filter when you using our compressor. Now we will show you how to change these two filters for the maintenance. So please let me ask Sasha to tell you how to change it.
Hello, I'm Sasha. I will show you how to change the filters.
First, we want to show you this is the air filter. This is the air filters. Now we will change the air filter and then the water filter.
Hello, friends. First step, I want to show you how to change the air filter element. This is the air filter. First, you just open this one. It is very easy. This is the air filter element. You need to open this screw. Get the filter element out. You see? This one is the air filter element. Old air filter element. You no need. And then we need to get a new one to insert the filter housing. New one. You see, this is new one. Close it. Okay. And this is cover. You see, it is very easy. And next step, I want to show you how to change the water filter element. We just need only one hole.
Water filter.
You see, this is a water filter. We need to change the filter element, so we need to get the filter out. Open this screw. Okay. Can you see? You see, this is the old water filter element. You see, it cannot use it. This is the new one. You just need insert to water filter. You see, and install the filter. Okay, the change of water filter element is finished. You see.
After we change the air filter and the water filter, and the compressor running about 3 months, about 500 hours, we also should check this one. This is one type filter, and this is air filter for the vacuum pump. This one you can see we should clean this and keep the impurity out of this vacuum pump. So Sasha, please help me open this. We will show to our friends.
Okay.
This is the one type filters.
You see?
You can see we should wash and clean this filter, and then after wash and clean it, we should install to the compressor. This is very simple. So our maintenance for our oil-free air compressor is very easy, and better maintenance keep the compressor with longer service life.